Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you first chapter in grade 5 math, that is more on large numbers. Let us see the topic that we have in this chapter. First is place value chart, inserting commas in numbers, expanded and standard form, comparison of numbers, forming numbers, Indian system and international system of numeration, Roman numerals. Let us learn the place value first. Place value. We have learned place value for 6 digit in previous grade. Let us recall it first. What is place value? Place value of a digit is the value of the place occupied by that digit in a number. Here I have taken 5 digit number and 6 digit number. Let's see how to represent this number in place value chart. This is place value chart. For 5 digit number, the digit starts with 10,000 place. For 6 digit number, the digit starts with lakhs place. Place value for chart for 6 digit is divided into 3 periods. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. In ones period, we have 3 places, that is ones, tens, hundreds place. In thousands period, we have 2. 1000 place, 10,000 place. In lakhs period, we have lakhs place. Here I have mentioned places in short form. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. For 5 digit number, we have to start from the right side. The first digit is 3. 3 is in ones place. So I have written 3 in ones place. 4 in tens place. 2 in hundreds place. 5 in thousands place. 1 in 10,000 place. Finally, the 5 digit number is represented in place value chart like this. Let's see 6 digit number. I have taken a number 673581. Let us see how to represent a 6 digit number in place value chart. The first digit lies in ones place. So I have written 1 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 5 in 100, 3 in 1000, 7 in 10,000, 6 in lakhs place. Let's see the place value of each digit. Here I have taken this number, that is 673581. We all know that the place value of 1 is ones. We have represent this number in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Since 1 lies in ones place, we are representing 1 into 1 times. 8 lies in tens place. 8 into 10. 5 lies in hundreds place. 5 into 100. 3 lies in thousand place. 3 into 1000. 7 lies in 10,000. 7 into 10,000. 6 in lakhs place. 6 into 1 lakh. That is 1. 8 into 10, that is 80. 5 into 100, that is 500. 3 into 1000, 3000. 7 into 10,000, it is 70,000. 6 into 1 lakh, that is 6 lakh. Let's see how to represent this number in words. 6 lakh 73,581. Here I have written in words 6 lakh 73,581. In previous grade, we have learned place value up to 6 digit, and we all know that the largest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. In grade 5, we are going to learn place value up to 8 digit. We shall extend this concept beyond 6 digit. What happens if we add 1 to this number? When we add 1 to largest 6 digit number, we get the smallest 7 digit number, that is 10 lakh in words. Likewise, what happens if we add 1 to largest 7-digit number? The largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. When we add 1 to this number, we get the smallest 8-digit number, and that is nothing but 1 crore. Let us see place value chart for 8-digit number. For 8-digit number, the place value chart is divided into 4 periods. These are called periods. I have mentioned periods here. These are called places. In ones period, we have 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period, we have thousands and 10,000s place. In lakhs, we have lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. In crore, we have crore place. Let us see one 8-digit number and how to represent this number in place value chart. We all know that the place value starts from right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So, in one place, 5 is there. So, I have written 5 in ones place. In 7 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 3 in thousand, 5 in 10,000, 2 in lakhs, 6 in 10 lakh, 8 in crore. Finally, we got how to represent this number in place value chart. Let's see how to represent this number in form of words. The digits under the same period have to read together. So 175 lies in ones period, 5 3 in thousands, 6 2 in lakhs, 8 in crore. 8 crores, 62 lakhs, 53,175. Let us see another example. Here I have taken 7-digit number 7542082. In this number we have 0 in it. 0 is in hundreds place. Ones, 10, hundreds. Let's see how to represent this number in place value chart. 2 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 0 in hundreds place, 2 in thousand, 4 in 10,000, 5 in lakhs, 7 in 10 lakhs. 2, 8, 0, 2, 4, 5, 7. And in words we can represent as 75 lakhs. We have to mention the periods, not the places. 75 lakhs, 42,000. 0 is in hundreds place. No need to mention 0. Simply we can go to next place. 82. 75 lakhs, 42,082. I have written in words. Likewise, we have to represent a number in place value chart. Next we see inserting commas. For 8-digit number, periods are divided into 4. Crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. The digit in a number can be separated by putting commas according to the periods. Let's find out the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds. So these 3 places comes in ones period. So I have inserted one comma here. 8, 3 comes in thousands. 1000, 10,000. 2 places comes under thousands period. So I have inserted one more comma here. 4 comes in lakh, 5, 10 lakh. These 2 numbers comes under lakhs period. So I have inserted another comma. 6 in crore. So in words we can represent as 6 crore 54 lakhs 83,179. We are using commas to separate the periods, we have to start from the right side. So these 3 places comes in ones period. These 2 places comes in thousands period. These 2 places comes under lakhs. This one is crore. Inserting commas helps us to read in a correct way. The digit under the same period have to read together. So 6 crore. Next, in this period we have to read 54 lakhs 83,179. In this way we have to write in words. Next is expanded form. Let us see one 5-digit number and how to write in an expanded form. The expanded form shows the value of each digit. 54,127. In this number, 5 is in 10,000s place. We all know the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 5 is in the 10,000 place. It means that this number has 5 10,000s. So 5 times 10,000 plus 4 is in 1000 place. 4 times thousands plus 1 is in 100 place. 100, 2 tens plus 7 ones. Let us replace with 10,000 in numbers. 5 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Let us simplify and the answer 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 7. In words, the number can be represented as 54,127. Let us see one 8-digit number. Here 7 is in crore place. So 7 crore plus 3 is in 10 lakh. So 30 lakh plus 9 lakh plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. In this way we have to write in an expanded form. In words, 7 crore 39 lakhs 27,521. Let's see how we can write expanded form into standard form. Here the number given is 5 crore plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 2. Since it is 5 crore, I have written 5 in crore place. After crore place, there should be lakh place. There is no lakh place. 40,000 is here. So since there is no lakh place, I have mentioned 2 zeros. 40,000. So 4 in 10,000 place. 5,000. 5 in 1000 place. 600. So 6 in 100 place. After 100 place, there should be tens place. Since there is no tens place, I have written 0. Plus 2 in ones place. Finally, the number is 5 crore 45,602. Let's see another example for expanded form and also standard form. Here the number given is 62 lakh 38,421. 6 lies in 10 lakhs place. So we can write in expanded form as 60 lakh plus 2 lies in lakh place. 2 lakh plus 3 in 10,000. So 30,000 plus 8,000. 8 lies in thousands place. So 8,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1. In this way we have to write a number in expanded form. Let's see another example for standard form. The number given is 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 3. Since it is given as 20 lakhs, I have written 2 in 10 lakh place, 7 lakh. So 7 in lakhs place, 50,000. So 5 in 10,000 place, 8,000, 8 in 1,000 place, 100. So 1 in 100 place, 50, 5 in 10's place, 3, 3 in 1's place. So the answer is 27,58,153. We can easily find out the place value of each number. To find the place value of 8. What is the place value of 8? The place value of 8 is 1000. Since 8 lies in thousands place, place value of 8 is 8,000s, or we can written in number 8,000. What is the place value of 5 here? 5 lies in tens place. So the place value of 5 is 5 tens or 50. If the question is asked, write the numerals. And the question is 1 crore 4,58,000. First, we can mention this in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 1 crore. So I have written 1 in place of crore. 4 lakh. So I have written 4 in lakhs place. 58,000. I have written 58 in thousands place. So there is no 100, no tens and no ones. So I have mentioned 0 in these 3 places. Finally, the number is 1 crore 4,58,000. Next question. 8 crore 50 lakh 23,860. So, since it mentioned 8 crore, I have written in crore place. 8 in crore place, 50 lakh. So, 50 in lakh place, 23,000. So, 23,860. Finally, we got the answer 8 crore 50 lakh 23,860.